Make a great choice today with the 2017 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, keyless entry, backup camera, power lift gate, power passenger seat, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, driver lumbar. Come see the car for yourself.
Subaru CPO vehicles have no secrets. You'd never have to wonder about vehicle history, reliability, and durability. Qualifying vehicles have passed through a stringent process determined by Subaru of America. When shopping for a pre-owned Subaru, the best place to look is your Subaru dealer.